So now we will read another dialogue. Kurdistan Bazar, the Bazars in Kurdistan. Okay, we are going to read Bazar. Okay. Kurdistan Bazar geleki gringe. In Kurdistan, Bazar is very important. Bazars are very important in Kurdistan. Kurdistan Bazar geleki gringen. So from here you can understand it is Bazars. Okay. لهمو باجار نافچه او تخان بازار هنه. There are bazaars in the old city, town and the quarters. In the nafche town, tach quarters. Probably this is kind of street. Okay. لهمو باجار نافچه او تخان بازار هنه. Okay. There are bazaar in everywhere. لهمو all. There are bazaars in all. Okay. Bazar haftiye carekene. Careke hene. They are once a week. Bazar, they are once a week. Bazar, careke hene. So from here you can understand it is bazars are once a week. You can say bazars are once a week. From this I can understand bazar is plural. Hene. If it said heye, it will be one. But hene, okay. Hon dikarin hamu bedeviyen khwa ji bazarê bikirin. You can buy all your necessities from the bazaar. Bedevi, the things you need from bazaar. You can buy everything from there. You can see everything in there, and you can buy it. It is opened like this, and simply you can buy from there. Okay. Yes, and let's continue. Hundekaren, you can. Hamu, Badawian, khwa, all your need. Badawian khwa means your need. Bazar, you can buy from there. Haka hun bichin bazar, if you go to bazar, pay attention to here, if this is if statement, and haka. Generally for if we are using haka. Okay, haka hun bichin bazar, if you go to bazar, hun dikarin tishten gelek arzan peyda bikin. Hun dikarin tishten gelek arzan peyda bikin. This is in future tense. Do you see? Do you realize this? See, bikin, kirin, b. We put bu. Hun dikarin tishten gelek arzan peyda bikin. You can find the things for very cheap. Things very cheap. Okay, you can find things so cheap if you go to bazaar. Yes. هروها هکا هون فکی و سبزه نخواه جبازاره بکرن ده باشتر به. Moreover, it is better for you to buy your fruits and vegetables from the bazaar. That is better you buy in bazaar. Did you know this? هروها هکا هون فکی و سبزه فکی fruits سبزه vegetables خواه جبازاره بکرن ده باشتر به. It will be better if you buy there. هروها هکا هون فکی و سبزه خواه جبازاره بکرن ده باشتر به. Pay attention to this. This is if. Okay, this is actually if. If you buy from there, that will be better. Do you see? Okay, let's see why. جبركو because أو تزدره. They are more fresh. Okay, they are more fresh. That's why. That is for you. It's much better that you buy your fruits and vegetables in there. Okay, let's continue. Haka pare wat tera wanaka if your money does not suffice, if you need more money, if you don't need money, what are you going to do? Oh, we are not going to buy anything. See what happens. Hundegaren bedainji tishtan bistinen. Jiberku باوريا بازاروان ومشتريان بهفته. I don't think it is right now. It's like that. I am not sure of this actually. It might be if you are from the city, if they know you, because generally all people know each other. That is why you can buy things as a loan, because the bazaar people and the customer rely on each other. So they trust each other. They know each other. They trust each other. That's why you can do this also. Hundekaren Deinji Tishtan Bestinen. Deinji Tishtan Bestinen. Dein is the loan, is borrow, kind of borrow. Yes. Dein loan, because the bazaar people and the customer rely on each other. Okay, let's continue. هكا هون بخلاتي زيادة para بدن. If you give more money, let's say you had a mistake and you gave more money, what will happen? هكا هون بخلاتي زيادة para بدن. خلاتي, if you pay more attention by mistake, خلاتي is a mistake. هكا هون بخلاتي زيادة para بدن. If you pay more money by mistake, هون para زيادة para بدن. If you pay is money, زيادة is more, and خلاتي is a mistake. هون you هكا if. Okay. بازاروان دي پره و لو وگرینن. بازاروان دي پره و لو وگرینن. They will return your money. You see, if you give money more, they are going to return you. They know how to calculate, and they will return you the rest. They will say this is a lot. Yes, Bazarvan. Bazar is the place that is people sell. Bazarvan is people, is the people who sell. Bazar is the place. They will give your money back, and they will say, look, this is a lot. Then, furthermore, haka hun danustandana bazari babinen. If you see the shopping in the bazaars, if you see shopping in the bazaars, let's see what happens. If you see danustandana bazari babinen, if you see things in bazaar, simply it is not danustandana bazari babinen. If you see the shopping in the bazaar, hunde tekliye mrovan bashtar fahm bekan, you will understand the relationship of people better, much better. You will understand the relationship of people much better. Hunde tekliyen mrovan bashtar fahm bekan, tekliyen relationship of mrovan, relationship tekliyen mrovan bashtar fahm bekan, you will understand much better from people. You will say, wow, yes. Handari raste yan shasha. Is this right? Is true or false? Raste yan shasha. Okay. Let's continue. Bazar harojane. Bazar harojane. It means there are bazaars every day. Okay. Na. Bazar her hafte de roja ki hai. In each day there is one. In each week there is one day bazaar. Okay. Heka hun bitchin bazaar. If you go to bazaar, hun de je suda vergren. I didn't understand the questions even. Heka hun bitchin bazaar hun je suda vergren. لبازار جلك تشت أرزان فاكي وسبزة جي هنا. So I think هكا هون بچن بازاري هونه جي سودا ورگرن. هونه جي سودا ورگرن. Wait a minute. I don't understand this. Huh? Is it asking us or it says so? Okay. Suit is alone, okay? Heka hun bitchin bazare. If you go to bazaar, you will be more you hune je سوده vergren. It means you will be more advanced. You will have more advantage. Okay, you will have more advantage. And لبازار قالك تش أرزانة because everything is many things are cheaper. فكي وسبزيجي تهزنة. فكي fruit and vegetables are also fresh. So that means advantage. هنا جي سوده vergren. This is advantage. Okay. هكا هون بجن بازاري هون كيمتر para بدن. If you go to bazaar, you will pay less money. That's true. Rasta. Why? Because things are cheaper in there. هكا parewa هكا parewa تيرا ونكا تيري نكا تيرا ونكا هون نكارن دانستاندنا بكن. It says if your money is not enough, you cannot shop. You cannot do shopping. You cannot shop. Is that right? Shasha, no, wrong. هكا parewa تیر نکه هون دکارن دانستاندنه بکن جبر کو بازاروان جمشتری باور دکه. You can shop, you can buy things because they trust each other. بازار جبو فهم کرنه تکلیه مروان گرینگه. Bazar is important to understand the behavior of human. Is it? Yes, that's true. You can understand that. And that's it. So he's paying now. He is going home.